Breaking news. See what Inec has done on decision regarding David Umahi's sack. Inec suspend action on court judgment seeking David and 16 others. See why. Very shocking. President Muhammadu Buhari has gone behind to say let nothing happen to David. So INEC is what is taking action from Oga at the top. Remember, it's their party that David has joined. And if you know what has happened in Ondo State, a particular House of Representative member who left LP, that is Labour Action Congress or so, to go to the All Progressive Congress has been sacked by the Supreme Court. Says if you want to join APC, you need to, you need as a matter of urgency, return their mandate, resign from the party, let them have somebody else to represent them in that position. Then you can go ahead and join the All Progressive Congress. So we are all aware that the bottom line of it, if there are no lies like they normally do, David might be going. But see what Buhari has done. Let's get all the details. INEC suspends action on court judgments seeking sack on David Umahi, 16 others. The Independent National Electoral Commission has suspended action on the court judgments seeking the sack of Governor of Ebonyi State, David Umahi, and his deputy, Eric Igwe, and 16 members of the House of Assembly over their defection to the ruling All Progressive Congress APC. A federal high court, Abuja, presided over by Justice Ekwo, had in a suit declared vacant the seats of David and his deputy and those of the lawmakers who defected with them to the All Progressive Congress APC. The court order follows two suits brought against them by the opposition People Democratic Party. The judge also ordered People Democratic Party. The judge also ordered INEC to issue a fresh certificate of return to the People Democratic Party nominees for the vacant executive position without delay. Following the judgment, PDP nominated candidates to take over from David Umahi and his deputy. INEC has not done anything. But INEC, the National Commission and Chairman, Information and Voters Education Committee, Festus Keyamo, in a statement yesterday said the commission has deliberated on the matter extensively and decided to suspend further actions on the matter due to conflicting judgments and orders served on it from court of coordinate jurisdiction. Okoye said it will be recorded that the commission met on Thursday, March the 17th, 2022 on the matter, decided to defer its deliberation on Ebonyi case and step down the list memorandum to enlist its legal service and clearance committee study the new process served on it. In light of the previous served ones, they advise the commission comprehensively on what to do. Since then, the commission has been served more than one court proceedings on the same matter, bringing a total to 12. And so we are confused on how to go about this matter. The commission deliberated extensively on the case and decided to further suspend action on the decision of on the deflection of the governor and his deputy of Ebonyi State and the 16 members of the House of Assembly from the People Democratic Party to the ruling All Progressive Congress in the light of conflicting court orders served on it by coordinated courts. The commission also considered its stay of action on the conflicting judgment and ordered beware aware of the proceedings of the appeals and motion to stay of executives of execution by some judges above various division of the Court of Appeal. So, but reliable information is getting us the message that Buhari has spoken to some people. If you notice very closely regarding Cross River State Governor, the matter has still not gone the way you want to expect it to go. Concerning Cross River State Governor, it is really bad. Concerning Cross River State Governor is also the court has also prevented any further movement on that matter. They said they've postponed it to, to April the 6th, where APC convention would have finished. This is what they are aiming after. They don't want people who have, stolen other people's mandate to bring to them anything to happen to them. So this is a country where there is no law and order, where the president to a large extent is controlling the judiciary. So this is why there are no truth being dispensed in our democracy. You see what people are doing? They are the ones calling the shots, deciding what happens. So you see how, people, things are going from bad to worse. The judiciary, NBA, is particularly not happy with the progress of which the court matter is going. The people are supposed to have confidence in the court system. However, we don't have that. We don't. So David feels now that nothing's untouchable. Okay, INEC is saying they cannot serve it yet since the matter is in the Court of Appeal here and there, which makes sense because, I mean, by the time the Court of Appeal, they're through with the Court of Appeal, then you will hear that they are going to the Supreme Court. But when you think about these things logically, I hope this will serve as a deterrent to those who will be going from one party to the other. And, before you know it, Nigeria needs to get her political terrain stable without people going from left to right and trying to make decisions here and there that will destroy the nation. Sadly, those in power now if you call them cowboys, I don't think you're wrong, because they are trying to bring in laws and things that favors them irrespective of what happened to the country or how it's, how anything serves the country. This is what they are doing. This is how they are going about things, waking up one morning and, just saying, and this is it, this is that. Okay? This is what is going on. So, my wonderful people, you can begin to see for yourself. You can begin to see for yourself. This is what is happening. It's sad, but it's the true reality of what we are confronted with, because we have a government and a system in place that are after themselves. That are after themselves. You see, Nigerians, we need to make hay while the sun shine and savour whatever we have left in this country. We don't have anything called good. What we have is actually a mirage. APC is trying to prevail on the judiciary to ensure that those who stole people's mandates remain and are retained in their political party, or because they move to their political party, so they feel they have protection. They feel they have protection. You see, leave us a comment. God bless you. Bye for now.